Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I am on this construction site. Will guide you for steel reinforcement details in the construction of this RCC slab with floor beam. So let's get started guys. As you can see guys, before starting steel reinforcement, you can see the plastic which are placed on the top of the shuttering. Next guys, you can see the spacing of main bars and distribution bars are 150 by 150 millimeter or 6 by 6 inches, where steel dia is 12 millimeter for main bars and distribution bars. If you see here, this is doubly mesh. Look here guys, first they placed singly mesh with the spacing of 12 by 12 inches. On the top of this again they placed 12 by 12 inches. So on doubly mesh you can see 6 by 6 inches or 150 by 150 millimeter. This is the spacing of main bars and distribution bars. Next guys, you can see look here. So the dia for main bars and distribution bars, we have here 40 grade steel rods, which length is 40 feet or 12 meter from factory, because this is the standard length of steel rods. And this is commercial building. Next guys, you can see this is cantilever slab. If you see guys, that is cantilever, that is simply supported beam, but here guys you can see we don't have any support. So the length of 7 feet we have cantilever slab, and you can see its steel reinforcement. Spacing is 6 by 6 inches also here, but under this slab we have here cantilever beam. You can see guys, we have T steel. This is one of the best quality of steel, and they prepared 40 grade and 60 grade. Guys, you can see these steel rods should be provided like hooks. If you see guys, they painted the steel at the end. That's why, because to protect it from the corrosion or rust. Because if we don't provide paint on the top of this steel rods, so this is exposed to the environment, so therefore it can be rust. As you can see, some steel rods are rusted here. Next guys, you can see this is floor beam. Size of this floor beam is 12 by 18 inches, which is designed for 3-story commercial building. Guys, you can see I am on the top of the second floor of this project. If you see guys, again we have cantilever beam, and you can see the cantilever slab. Here this is singly mesh. On the top of this they will provide the other steel reinforcement with the spacing of 6 by 6 inches. Look here guys, that's why, because this is in progress, this is not completed design for this cantilever slab. Next guys, if you see, the covered area for this construction is about 8,000 square feet. This is one of the big project, you can say. That's why, because this is commercial building. The steel slab reinforcement is under construction. This is open to sky, which size is here 5 feet. Width is 5 feet, length is about 60 feet. And floor beam construction they used here. Look here guys, they already used a kind of support on the top of the plastic, because it will not disturb anything. Because if you see on the top of this shuttering, you can see they provided polythene sheet, or you can also place the plastic, because if we have open spaces, so it can be covered by the plastic. Also you can provide the plastering tape on the top of the shuttering if we have open space between the shuttering or formwork. Next guys, you can see they also provided the extra steel rods on the top of the floor beam, which is very important to resist negative bending moment, as I discussed in many videos. Look here guys, this is 12 by 12 inches here, 12 by 9 inches. So therefore again they will placed on the top of this. Sorry, this is 12 by 6 inches. They will place the other steel rods at the middle of this. Then it will be doubly mesh 6 by 6 inches. Now this is singly mesh. Hope this short video can help you to know about steel reinforcement details on the construction of RCC slab. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.